Federal prosecutors on Monday. Baltimore Municipal Assembly President Nick Mosby was a liar again, claimed that owed taxes tens thousands of dollars, was left behind months from mortgage payments to be deducted benevolent contributions at a time lived. The garnish wages loans re-showing the car. Lawyer Aaron Zielinski, current wife Marilyn Mosby in Greenbedary U.S. Regional Court in Regional Court mortgage at hearing. Defense Nick Mosby's cross-examination. These allegations brought to agenda. Zielinski said that the government could call it a financial analyst who would express that there was not enough money to make these donations in the bank accounts. U.S. Regional Judge Lydia K. Griggs expressed concerns that interrogation line will lead to mini-hearing vay and that the 44-year-old Marilyn Mosby, who served as lawyer of Baltimore between 20,152,023, will create unfair and important prejudices. Is accused of making a statement. In part, government claims that he and his husband owe the taxes or that he does not report more than 45,000 tax foreclosures for a house near Kissimmee, Walt Disney World, and on southwest Gulf Coast of Florida. They've been divorced since time. Nick Mosby said that when he applied to the couple jointly, he had taken the taxes. James Wida, federal public defendant, a lawyer of Marilyn Mosby, expressed his concern that questions about tax returns would be deeply prejudiced. Wida said, "We have presented some testimony about Mr. Mosby's diligence in handling personal financial affairs." The prosecutors then summarized a document below, the government's testimony of the defendants' witnesses in previous lying. After a lunch break, Zielinski said that he wanted to ask Nick Mosby for the 2019 tax return he filed alone. The liar was claimed. Griggs replied. Zielinski said, "The government believes it is proof of lying." Zielinski said. Later, Nick Mosby testified about financial problems. He said that he had stopped working at some point for the mayor of Baltimore and that he was on his bills and embarrassed him. He told his wife that he didn't tell him. When asked if the government was planning to make false charges, the U.S. lawyer's spokesman Marsha Lubin refused to comment. Nick Mosby runs to re-election this year and faced the Democratic competitors Baltimore Municipal Assembly Zeke Cohen and former Baltimore Municipal Assembly member Shannon Sneed.